everyone, welcome to Knowledge Center. Today let me show you the model of induction motor, a three-phase induction motor. So here as you can see, let's look into the side view. So this is a frame and this frame is going to cover the complete motor. It gives the mechanical support to a motor and this is made up of a cast iron, and it's also varies with some silicon steel and other material will be added to that, but it depends upon the rating of a machine. So now let's see what actually it consists of. So it's going to have two major parts. One is the stator and the other one is the rotor. Here you can see this is the rotor part. You can rotate it, and this stator is in contact with the frame of the induction machine, and this stator will have a slot as well as stator winding. So this is a stator slot. You can observe the gap here. These are all the stator slots, and the solid part of that is called stator teeth. So that in this slot we are going to have the copper wire. You can see the copper wire here. The windings will be placed in the slot. We should not have a contact of that conductor with the teeth. So to avoid that, we use a mica sheet. So these white sheets are all mica sheet. So mica sheet will play an insulating role. It will protect the slots coming in contact with the conductor, so that the current will not flow through the slot. And these copper wires are also insulated by individual wire. Means you can see it has been varnished. Varnish is used as or paint is used as an insulation over there. So each conductor will be insulated, and for this we can have a star and delta connection. So this is made up of a star connection. Stator winding is connected in form of a star. If you go for a three-phase, we get two connections, star and delta. So this is a star connection. Now let's come to the rotor part. So this is the rotor part. So this is a shaft, and we have a rotor. So in induction motor, there are two types of rotors. That is the squirrel cage induction motor, squirrel cage rotor. This is what the squirrel cage rotor, and we have a phase one rotor. So here we have a squirrel cage rotor. So you can observe the skewed bars. There is a skewed bars. So this is skewed because to reduce the humming noise. To reduce the humming noise, we have a skewed bars instead of just horizontal bars. Okay. So that rotor will be placed inside this, and this is going to cover this face, and this what we have here, this casing will cover this portion, and we have a gap here so that we can have a fan. You look at this, we have a fan connected to shaft. So when it rotates, even this fan blades will rotate, and it will provide a cooling for a induction motor. So this is about a induction motor and the important construction feature of a induction motor. I hope these construction details are clear for you. If so, then like the video and share among your friends. Thank you.